Hey, what is up all you do-it-yourselfers? My name is Dylan Taylor and this is Dylan's DIY Workshop. Today I'm going to be doing another video about the Scorch marker. If you guys don't know what the Scorch marker is, it is a wood burning marker which is almost like a paint marker in the way that it feels to write with, and then you use a heat gun like this to make the burning appear. So I made a quick introductory video of my first time actually using it on video, and you can click up here to view that if you're on desktop, or there should be a link in the description. So that was this right here. So I wrote my name on this piece of wood, and now I'm going to be... So the first thing that you need to do is prep the wood. I just used a razor blade because it was almost already smooth, and this is a great way to make it super smooth. It's equivalent to something like 400 grit when you actually do that. You end up with a really smooth surface. That's my favorite way to actually prep a wood burning surface, is with some sort of razor blade or with a cabinet scraper. So what you do is you shake this marker up. Same as a paint marker, it's got this little tip on it that you press in, and when you press that in, it dispenses the liquid. So today I'm gonna try something a little bit more intricate than my name. I'm going to try to make a flower, and this is just another practice video for me to use this. I'd like to do quite a few videos with this. I want to see how small I can actually wood burn with this, and then I also want to see how intricate I can wood burn with this. I want to see how large of a surface you can burn with it, and I also want to see like how far I can go, like if it dries up and you can't see it, like the liquid on the surface anymore, does it still burn? Just a bunch of different things like that, how you can shade by using this, whole bunch of videos, but today I'm just gonna go a little bit more intricate than my name. So we just use it like a marker, and this is all freehand. Just gonna use the tip here. It says that you really don't need that much liquid, so I can see it's coming out, so hopefully that'll be enough. Go a little bit wider here because it's chisel tip. Add a stem. This is a very crappy flower, but I hope you guys can appreciate that I'm trying here. Okay, also, since it's a chisel tip, I'm gonna try to sign my name. Oh, that's the wrong, okay, that definitely did not work. Okay, that's not gonna work out. Okay, okay, that's better. Okay, so I barely put any liquid down at all that time. If we get it on the right angle here, you can kind of see the outline of my signature here and the flower there. The liquid kind of comes out reddish, so you can see it's darker there. Now, when we first use the heat gun, that's going to disappear, and it almost seems like it dries up, but then after just a little bit, it'll start to darken up like the burning. Alright, so I stopped it over here so that it'd be a little bit lighter. The camera's not picking it up as well as it looks in person, but I want it to be dark to go to light, and so it looks like it's actually really awesome for shading gradients, so that'll be cool. Now another thing I wanted to try, which I'm going to do right here, is since the surface is still really hot, what happens if I actually use the marker on a hot surface? Now I don't actually see a warning for this, so I'm just going to go for it and do that. The chisel tip seems to be holding up fairly well. The tip be getting a little bit larger than it was. It looks like it stayed quite the same. You can still see it if I put it at the right angle. There's a smiley face I drew. Just gonna heat it up and see how long it takes this time, since the wood's already warm. Much faster this time. Like I was saying, this is just absolutely incredible. I have to definitely get better. I'm going to practice a bit on my own before I come back to you guys with my tips on how to make this work as well as possible. But I think that this is just incredible, and thank you to the person who sent me these. These are awesome. Definitely stand with you. Definitely going to help promote that. That's just awesome. Like, the wood burning that I'm working on is this one over here. It's for Casey Neistat. It's this massive wood burning. But when I wanted to sign the back of it, I wanted to sign it fairly large and actually write kind of a letter, but large enough for him to read it. And see this right here, that's kind of, just takes a long time to actually wood burn that by hand. if it's something where I can write and I can make the letters that big by writing with a marker and then a heat gun, man, that's gonna make it so fast. So this couldn't have came at a better time. It's just awesome. So thank you, and if anyone else wants to try these out, I will leave an Amazon link in the description so you can go and grab yourself one of those. Stay tuned though, I will be giving a few of these away. I was given 5 of them and I'm probably only going to keep 2, and there will be lots more of these videos coming up soon. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe you're even more excited about this marker now than you were before. The other thing, make sure you wear gloves if you're using one of these. It does say that to wear gloves, and you know, I haven't spilled any on my gloves yet, but it's another one of those things. You just, the less stuff that you get on your skin, the better, and these gloves don't want to come off my sweaty hands. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to all of my Patreon supporters, especially Randy, Robinbird, and Mike Maxwell. If you guys want to help support what I do and you enjoy my videos, that is probably the best way to do so, and there's lots of different rewards for the different levels that you can support my channel at. So if you guys would like to check that out, there will be a Patreon link up here and also in the description of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please share this video with a friend, and as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. See you guys all next time. Peace out.